Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing another vlog. I really liked the vlog I did a couple weeks ago. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me throughout my day. It's Friday. It's New Music Friday, which is the best day of the week because I get a new playlist on my Apple Music and it's curated to me and I'm absolutely obsessed. I love music. It is like my lifeline, the thing that keeps me going throughout the day. I'm so pumped. I gotta go do my Walmart grocery pickup. I'm gonna be like cleaning out my fridge and like restocking everything. I need to go to Costco at some point. I freaking hate going to Costco on the weekends because it's always so busy. I need to do some UPS returns and I need to get more cold medicine. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I have like the plague or something because I feel like I never get sick. I haven't been super sick this winter for some reason. I just like got hit so hard these past 2 weeks. Last week I actually had to reschedule some clients and I never do that. So I really wasn't feeling good. So I need to get more medicine because I seriously have been taking stuff and rinsing my sinuses for like 2 weeks and it's still here. I need to probably wash my car. I actually need to sell my car, but my friend that owns a dealership that is helping me find a new car has not found one yet. I've been looking at like a Q5 or the SQ5. I was looking at the Macans, but I don't like the console situation on the ones that he had. So I need to hopefully find a car soon because I need to sell this. I just want a new car. I want something bigger. But let's go ahead and get going. Okay, we are at car wash. Just waiting because it's full. It's finally like nice weather in Utah. So like everybody under the sun is washing their cars this week. But also because it's Friday, the new episodes of Love is Blind come out, which I cannot wait to see who gets married, who does not get married. I feel like Brett and Tiffany will get married and Bliss and Zach will get married, which is crazy, but I think those are the two for sure. And honestly, I don't know about the others. But I also watched Vanderpump Rules last night, and there's a lot to say about Raquel and Schwartz kissing. It's all just so weird. Obviously, Katie's upset, but what is weird to me is how upset James is when he's in a new relationship. I get that they're like, your ex is kissing your friend, and that's weird. But just like his crazy reaction at especially when he has his new girlfriend. Like as his new girlfriend, I would be like concerned a little bit about like these insane reactions to hearing news about your ex and just kind of the things that he says. I think is a little disrespectful to Allie, but that's just my 2 cents. It is open now, so we're gonna do the car wash and then vacuum everything out. Okay, I switched to my phone because sometimes my camera just doesn't sit on my dash and I don't want to sit and hold it. So I just got my Walmart pickup. There is literally, oh, that was a horrible idea. I just rolled down my window. After I washed my car. I'll have to wipe it down when I go home. I forgot. But I don't understand what's happening at my local Walmart, but there is a lot of people standing outside. Like, it looks like they're making sandwiches or something. There's like a Sara Lee person in like a big Takis tent. I have no idea what's going on, but there's a lot of people standing outside. I ran into the Maverick to get a drink, which if you do not have Mavericks where you live, I'm so sorry you do not have a superior gas station experience, but I got the mini strawberry dreams, is that what it's called? The monster. And I'm so mad at myself because I wanted to get the blue raspberry ghost, but I got distracted because these were tiny and cute. So I got one of these. So excited. It feels so good to have such like a productive day and it's like sunny outside. So I like want to get stuff done. But it also feels slightly chaotic for some reason. HelloFresh, I don't even understand what's going on. I ordered something from them like in 2017 and I logged in this week because I wanted to maybe start doing that again. And they had emailed me like some code, so I like logged in to see what recipes they had. but I didn't reactivate my account. And then I got like a shipping notification this morning, and I'm like, I did not order anything. I did not pick meals. I have not updated my card information since 2017, so it's obviously expired. So I don't know what's going on with that. I guess we'll see if it gets delivered. I like messaged them and was like, hey, my account is not active. And they were like, oh, well, let me figure out like what happened that triggered a box to be created. And I'm like, I was looking at recipes this week. I don't know. I'm back home. I had to stop and pick this one up because she has some cheer tryouts later today.
Wait, what were you doing before this?
I went to the grocery store and washed my car. How you feeling? You feeling ready?
I broke my toe and my wrists.
Your wrist is not broken.
Well, obviously I didn't break them, but like, I did.
She's very dramatic if you cannot tell. But she's gonna stretch. I'm gonna unload the groceries. Okay, I'm cleaning out my fridge. I feel like I did a pretty good job at starting already. I'm just gonna restock everything, do a little time lapse, and then I'll show you guys at the very end. The fridge is done being restocked. Tegan's apparently still stretching, but just kind of go through what I have in here. Apples, peppers, carrot sticks. Have some things for some recipes this week. Green onions and parsley, lettuce, spinach, cucumber, of course, the monsters, protein shakes. I have not gone to Costco yet to restock this, but I am obsessed with these from Target, the Quick Bites with the pepper jack, dried cranberries and almonds. Such a good, easy little snack. I get these from Costco, the Laughing Cow wedge cheese. Just like a soft little wedge of cheese I like to put with my eggs, egg whites. What else? These I also get from Costco, just chicken bites. They're easy to pop in the microwave. I also love this turkey meat. Good snack. I have a lot of really easy things. I do have some stuff to make meals. But yeah, and then the sausage I got from Target, and then I do ground chicken for the week. And then absolutely obsessed with these yogurts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My niece is at her cheer tryouts. I just got back from my sister's. I went and watched Love is Blind with her. And that is not what I thought was gonna happen. I don't want to spoil it if you haven't seen it. So I'm not gonna say, but I think like more people got married this season than any other season. I'm not positive, but they definitely had more get married this season than last season, I think. But I just got notification that the HelloFresh was still delivered. So I came home to put it in the fridge, and then I was gonna run to Target. So let's go get the HelloFresh off my porch. Okay, let's see what these HelloFresh meals are gonna be, because like I said, I didn't order it. I didn't pick meals. I don't know. We have sweet and smoky pork tenderloin with chili roasted carrots, mashed potatoes, and cherry sauce. I would never have picked that, ever. And balsamic tomato and herb chicken over buttery garlic spaghetti. I mean, honestly, that doesn't sound bad, but it has a lot of calories. Okay, well now I'm deeply confused because that's not what this says. Broccoli sun-dried tomato pasta. sweet smoky pork tenderloin. That says the right thing. What the hell is all this? Balsamic tomato and herb chicken. So did they give me an extra one too? What's happening? There's not like another recipe card. So broccoli, sun-dried tomato. I am confused. The pork tenderloin. I do not feel very good today. I feel kind of nauseous today, and that is really grossing me out. Dude, HelloFresh. Not to be a hater. What the hell is going on over there? I feel like this vlog has just been a lot of me talking in my car. Because I've been running errands. I was gonna try and do like a workout and like make something, some sort of breakfast or lunch. Like I said, I'm really not feeling very well, so I'm going to continue this vlog to tomorrow, and I'll do a workout for you guys. I will make a breakfast or lunch for you guys. I don't know if I had too much Monster this morning, or like I am around the time where I should be starting my period. I'm usually anxious, but wow, I am high anxiety. It is not mixing well with me feeling nauseous today. So I'm gonna listen to my book, and I'm gonna go for a little drive, kind of just chill out. I've been listening to Atlas of the Heart on Audible from Brene Brown, and I love Brene Brown's books. It is amazing so far. I think I'm like 2 hours into it. So if you need a good book recommendation, I am loving that one so far. We are in my workout room now. I think I've explained this before. Just to refresh, if you haven't watched any of my other like vlog workout videos, I do each exercise for 3 sets of either like 10 or 12 reps. So I usually alternate between 2 exercises at one time. So I'll do like 6 exercises total, but I'll break it down into like 3 groups or sets. And then for each exercise, I will do it 10 to 12 times. Like I already said, I will be doing back and biceps today. Let's go ahead and get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I am all done with my workout. I thought before I go, I would show you guys my new bed. I had a queen before, but now I have a king. It's kind of hard to see. The lighting in here is not great, but it's this velvety black headboard, and I actually got it from Wayfair, and then the mattress I got from Amazon, but I have been absolutely loving it. My mattress before had like a topper on it, and I feel like it actually made it too soft, so I got this new mattress, and yeah, my back hasn't been hurting because the mattress is a little, not like super firm, but like medium, I would say. So my back hasn't been hurting as much. My other one was entirely too soft, and I would sink into it, and it was like a vortex, I swear. I am gonna be updating and redoing my room a little bit, redoing like bedding and stuff, and like pictures and things on my wall. So I'll keep you guys updated when I start doing that. I also got a new TV because my other one was apparently like miniature size, because now it seriously feels like I'm in a movie theater when I'm in bed watching TV at night, and it's the best thing ever. But that is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.